Good morning, students. I hope you are all doing fine. Uh, Today we are gonna start, or we are gonna do. Yesterday, you all did same indefinite integration PYQs, but it was lecture one. So today, Anil sir is somewhat busy with his work. That's why I am taking this lecture. I hope you will understand something. We will continue the same topic, indefinite integration PYQs. Got it? So, in indefinite integration, you must have done some of the PYQs yesterday. We'll do some of them today. So, let's look at the first question. This one. We are given, one second. Yeah. We are given integration 1 upon x under root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is this, and g of 1 is 0. Then we have to find the value of g of half. Correct? So, what will be my value of g of half? Let's look at it. How to proceed the question. So, what we can do here is, this is a standard substitution, if you remember. 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. In such cases, we substitute x is equals to cos 2 theta. So, my integral will become integration of 1 upon cos 2 theta, 1 upon cos 2 theta into under root of 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. Correct? So, 1 minus cos upon 1 plus cos dx. After this, what is 1 minus cos? We easily know that 1 minus cos is 1 upon cos 2 theta into under root of 2 sine square theta upon 1 plus cos is 2 cos square theta by using multiple angles formula. So, what I'll get, oh, here it is d theta, sorry. Here it will be d theta, yeah. D theta, correct? So, what can I write it as? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sine square upon cos square is tan square. So, this will be equal to integration 1 upon cos 2 theta into tan squared theta d theta. Tan theta, I guess. Right? Not tan square, tan theta. Because it is under root. After this, what we can do here again? One second. Yeah. Okay. So x tan theta theta cos to theta we can write. Okay. One second. Huh? Yeah, there was a network issue. Sorry. Huh. Implies here what I can write in place of d theta. We forgot this, right? No issues. Sure. So, so dx will be equals to cos square derivative minus 2 sine 2 theta d theta. So here we'll get minus 2 sine 2 theta d theta. So again will be the same minus 2 sine 2 theta d theta and minus 2 sine 2 theta d theta. correct? So tan theta go, I'll keep it as sin theta upon cos theta. Let this be sin theta upon cos theta. And sin 2 theta ko I can write 2 sin theta cos theta. So I'll take minus 2 outside. Sin theta will be as it is upon cos theta will be as it is into 1 upon cos 2 theta will be as it is. And I can write sin 2 theta as 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Here cos theta will get cancelled and now I'll be left with 2 to the I'll get minus 4 integration of sin squared theta upon cos 2 theta d theta. Now I minus 2 integration of what is sin square theta? It is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2 and 2 and that 4 will get cancelled and I'll get minus 2 upon cos 2 theta d theta. Correct? Now we can split this. So I'll get minus 2 integration of sec 2 theta minus 1 d theta. Correct? Yeah. So what is the integration of sec 2 theta? Minus 2, it will be ln. Do you remember? Sec 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. Correct? Plus upon 2 minus what is the integration of 1? It is theta plus c. So if I take LCM, I'll get 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 2 theta पहले आ जाएगा minus sign. So I'll get 2 theta minus ln sec 2 theta plus tan 2 theta plus c. Now we just have to resubstitute. We can see cos 2 theta is x. So 2 theta will be cos inverse of x minus ln. What is sec 2 theta? So I can write it as 1 plus sin 2 theta upon cos theta cos 2 theta. Correct? So this will be cos inverse of x minus ln. What is sin 2 theta? It is under root of 1 minus x square, 1 minus cos square theta upon cos 2 theta is x plus c. Now, it is already given here is g of x plus c. G of 1 is equals to 0. So this quantity is g of x and it is given that g of 1 is 0. So if g of 1 is equals to 0, that means if I substitute 1 here, so cos inverse of 1. Yeah, I'll get cos inverse of 1 minus, so cos inverse of 1 ln 0 by 2. So I'll get c 1 by 2 plus c is equals to 0. So from this, I'll get my value of c. Correct? What is my value of c? Did we make some mistake? I think we made a mistake here. Uh, 2 theta, 2 cancel. Okay, wait. What we can do here is we can change the sign here. We can write it as this is 2 theta plus sec theta plus tan sec theta minus tan. 1 minus sin theta. So this will be 1 minus. And here it will become plus. So cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of x plus 1 minus 1 minus x square will be c. G of 1 is 0. So g of 1 will be equal to 0. That means g of 1 is 0, correct? So what is my g of x? G of x will be equal to cos inverse of x plus ln 1 minus under root of x, right? Actually, this condition is of no use. So g of x is basically uh, cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of x plus ln 1 minus under root of 1 minus x square upon x. And we have to find g of half. So that will be cos inverse of half plus ln 1 minus under root of 1 minus 1 by 4 upon 1 by 2. So cos inverse of half, which angle gives half? It is 30 degree. So pi by 3 plus ln, I'll get 1 minus root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2, right? If I take LCM here, so I'll get pi by 3 plus ln. Again, if I'll take LCM, I'll get 2 minus root 3. And 2 minus root 3 is the rationalizing form of ln root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So this is my answer. Pi by 3 plus ln root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So which option it is? It is option. It is option A. So option A is the correct answer. Option A. Got it? Let's move on to the next question. Correct? 1 second. I think there is. Okay, you look at this next question. Yeah. Till then, I'll drink some water. Okay. All right. We are back. So let's look at this question. What does this question mean? Let f of x equals to integration of this, and this is a mod x. If f of 0 is 0, f of 1 का value दिया है, and we have to find alpha square plus beta square. We have to find alpha square plus beta square, right? So what is alpha square plus beta square? That we have to find. Let's C. This is a standard integration. So I think we use the substitution x equals to 1 by t. X equals to 1 by t. That means dx will be equals to minus 1 by t square dt. So f of x will be equals to integration of 1 upon, I'll get 3 plus 4 by t square, correct, if I'm not wrong. And here I'll get under root of 4 minus 3 by t square into minus dt upon t square. Now in denominator, if I take LCM, I'll get 3t square plus 4 upon t square, correct? And here I'll get under root of 4t square minus 3 upon t into minus dt by t square. This t square and this t square will get cancelled. So finally I am left with integration of the denominator का t ऊपर आ जाएगा minus t dt upon 3t square plus 4 into under root of 4t square minus 3. Now in this case, we have to again do a substitution. So what substitution can we use here? We'll use 4t square minus 3 is equals to z square, right? That means 8t dt will be equals to 2z dz, and that means t dt can be written as z by 4 tz. I hope I did not make a mistake. Yes. Chalo. So my integral will become integration of minus 1 by 4. I'll take bar z dz upon 3. Acha, here I have to substitute t square, right? So t square will be z square plus 3 upon 4. I hope you're understanding. Got it? So here I'll get 3 into z square plus 3 upon 4 plus 4 into z. Correct. So z and z will get cancelled. What I'll be left with is minus 1 by 4 into take LCM. What I'll get? I'll get dz upon 3z square plus 9. Correct? 3z square plus 9 plus 16 upon 4. Right? So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So I'll be left with there is some issue with the slides. Okay, it's fine. Chalo. I'll be left with integration of minus dz upon 3z square plus 25. So minus dz upon 3z square plus 25. So I can write it as minus integration of 1 upon root 3z the whole square plus 5 square dz. What is the integration of this? 1 upon x square plus a square. It is 1 by a, so 1 by 5 into tan inverse of x, means root 3z by 5, and x by a plus c. And don't forget root 3 because it is coefficient of z. Let us resubstitute the value of z. What was the value of z? Z was z square it is. Okay. So z was under root of 4t square minus 3. So minus 1 upon 5 root 3 tan inverse of root 3 into under root of 4t square minus 3 upon 5 plus c. 4t square minus 3. And what was t? T was 1 by x. So let us resubstitute t also. So I'll get minus 1 upon pi root 3 tan inverse of root 3 into under root of 4 by x square I'll get, right? 3x square upon 5x plus c. So what it is given? It is given that f of 0 is 0. So let us substitute 0. So I'll get, this is f of x, correct? This is f of x. So f of 0, which is equals to tan inverse of infinity, right? So minus 1 by 5 root 3 into pi by 2 plus c, that is equals to 0. So that means what is the value of c? It is pi upon 10 root 3. Resubstitute it here. So my f of x will be equals to minus 1 upon pi root 3 tan inverse of root 3 into under root of 4 minus 3x square upon 5x plus pi upon 10 root 3. Got it? And we have to find the f of 1 is given. F of 1 is given. So let's find f of 1. What will be f of 1? F of 1 will be equals to minus 1 upon 5 root 3 tan inverse of 1. So 4 minus 3, it will be 1. ऊपर तो root 3 बचा. So root 3 by 5 plus pi by 10 root 3. Now tan inverse को क्या लिख सकता हूं मैं? I can write tan inverse as pi by 2 minus cot inverse of root 3 by 5. Why I did like this? So I have to compare with RHS. Got it? So plus pi by 10 root 3. So if I open the bracket, I'll get minus pi by 10 root 3 plus 1 upon pi root 3 cot inverse of root 3 by 5 plus pi by 10 root 3. So this and this will get cancelled. And cot inverse को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? I can write cot inverse as tan inverse by reciprocal relation. So I'll get okay, I'll write it here only. I'll get 1 upon 5 root 3 tan inverse of 5 by root 3. Correct? This is my answer. And the question was 1 upon alpha beta, tan inverse of alpha upon beta. So that means if we compare alpha is equal to, if we compare alpha is equal to 5 and beta is equals to root 3. Alpha equals to 5, beta equals to root 3. So alpha square plus beta square. So what is alpha square plus beta square? So that will be 25 plus 3, which is equals to 28. This is my answer. My answer is 28. I hope you are clear. Got it? Correct? I don't know why this is coming. It is not also, there is some technical glitch, I guess. Okay, it's fine. Let's move on to the next question. One second, let me solve this. One second, guys. I'll stop the screen share and let me check what is this happening. Why is this happening? 1 second. One second, guys. I'll be back. Okay, let us try now. I hope now it's not an issue. Chalo. Let us try now. Okay, so here is the next question. Okay, so here we have been given this integration is equals to this. Then we have to find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma square into 18. Let's try. In such questions, what we do, we divide by cos cube x. So we'll take it common. So numerator may, if I divide by cos cube x, if you can see, I'll get sec square x into tan x dx upon denominator may I'll get 1 plus tan cube x. Correct? What we can do here? We can put tan x is equals to t. Standard substitution. That means sec square x dx will be equals to dt. Am I right? Then what will be my integral become? My integral will now become integration of t upon 1 plus t cube dt. Correct? And I can factorize the denominator a cube plus b cube as t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1 dt. Now, after this, we can use partial fractions. So, I can write this as t upon t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1 as a upon t plus 1 by using partial fractions plus b into 2t minus 1 upon t square minus t plus 1 plus c upon t square minus t plus 1. Now, if we can compare these two by taking LCM, I'll get a into t square minus t plus 1. Correct? Yeah. Plus b into 2t minus 1 into t plus 1 plus c into t plus 1. Now, if I open the bracket and 1 second, here I'll get a into t square minus t plus 1 plus b into 2t square plus 2t minus t, so plus t minus 1 plus c into t plus 1, 2t square plus 2t. So let us write the coefficient of t square. It is a plus 2b into t square. What are the coefficients? Plus b plus c into t. And what are the constant terms? It is a minus b plus c. This is equals to t. If we compare, I'll get a plus 2b equals to 0. Then I'll get minus a plus b plus c is equals to 1. And a minus b plus c is equals to 0. So if I add these two, if I add them, what I'll get? I'll get c is equals to half. So let us substitute here. So I'll get a minus b is equals to c is equals to half. So minus half and a plus 2b is equals to 0. If I subtract these two, I'll get 3b is equals to 2b half. So that means b is equals to 1 by 6. And c is equals to half. So if b is equals to 1 by 6, a is equals to minus 2b. So that means a is equals to minus 1 by 3. So a is minus 1 by 3 B is 1 by 6 and C is 1 by 2. So let us substitute here. What I'll get my integral as, I can get integration of A minus 1 by 3 upon T plus 1. Minus 1 by 3 upon T plus 1 plus, what is B? B is 1 by 6, C is half. So 1 by 6 into 2T minus 1 by 6 into 2T minus 1 upon T square minus T plus 1 plus, what is C? C is half. So half upon T square minus T plus half upon T square minus T plus 1 dt. Correct? So that means I'll have to use completing square here. So I'll get half upon T square minus T plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So half upon T minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Correct? And 4 minus 3. So plus 3 by 4. So after integrating, what I'll get? Minus 1 by 3 ln T plus 1. Correct? Integrating this will remain the same. Got it? Plus 1 by 6 ln T square minus T plus 1. Correct? And lastly plus 1 by 2 into x square plus a square. So 1 by a into tan inverse of t minus 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 plus c. Now what was the question? Let us compare alpha, beta and gamma. Correct? So let me change the color. This is alpha, this is beta, and if I cancel out this, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this is gamma. So now what do I had to find? I had to find alpha plus beta plus gamma square. Correct? So let's find alpha plus beta plus gamma square. This and this will get cancelled into 18. So 18 by 6, which is equals to 3. This is my answer. So 3 is my answer. Let's move on to the next part. Correct. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah, this is a question. I hope you can see it. Wait, let me enlarge. Yeah. So this is a very typical sum. If you remember, we just have to substitute it. So what can I substitute it? Please remember, in these types of sum, I substitute numerator 2 e raised to x plus 3 e raised to minus x equals to a times denominator 4 e raised to x plus 7 e raised to minus x plus b times derivative of denominator. So 4 e raised to x minus 7 e raised to minus x. Let us compare the coefficients. So if I calculate e raised to x coefficient, it is 4a plus 4b into e raised to x plus e raised to minus x 7a minus 7b e raised to minus x. And here it is 2 e raised to x plus 3 e raised to minus x. So if I compare, I'll get, I can cut 2, right? So I'll get 2a plus 2b is equals to 1. And did we make some mistake? I guess no, right? E raised to x 4, 4. Yeah. And I'll get 7a minus 7b is equals to 3. So we have to multiply this by 7 and let's multiply this by 2. So I'll get 14a plus 14b is equals to 7 and 14a minus 14b is equals to 6. If we add, this will get cancelled and a will become 28a is equals to 13. So a is 13 by 28. And if we subtract these two, we'll get 28b is equals to 1. So b will be 1 by 28. So now we got a and b. Let us substitute in the integral sign. So I can write integration of 13 by 28 4 e raised to x plus 7 e raised to minus x plus 1 by 28 4 e raised to x minus 7 e raised to minus x. I'll split the denominator 4 e raised to x plus 7 e raised to minus x. So these both will get cancelled. Here also I can write 4 e raised to x plus 7 e raised to minus x. So on the right second I, here this is f dash of x upon f of x. So what is the integration of that? The whole dx. So basically my integral is 13 by 28 into x. 1 ka is x plus 1 by 28 into ln 4 e raised to x plus 7 e raised to minus x plus c. So if we compare, they have taken 1 by 14 common. So if I take 1 by 14 common, I'll be left with 13 by 2x plus 1 by 2 ln this plus c. So that means u is 13 by 2 and v is 1 by 2. So u plus v will be 14 by 2, which is equals to 7. This is my answer. Correct? I hope it is clear. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah. Okay. Yes. This question is given. Integration is this same. We have to find 9 times root 3a plus b. So here again we can use completing square method. So what will I get? I'll get integration of dx over completing square में I can write x square plus x plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 4 the whole square. So that means I'll get integration dx over x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 4 the whole square. So after this is x square plus x square, but whole square. So we can use substitution. X plus 1 by 2 को tan theta ले लेते, right? So this will mean dx will be equals to sec square theta d theta. So my integral will become sec square theta d theta upon tan square theta. Acha, sorry, root 3 by 2 tan theta, because then we'll be able to take common, right? X plus 1 by 2 को root 3 by 2 tan theta. So this will be root 3 by 2 into sec square theta d. So here it will be root 3 by 2. So iska square, so I'll get 3 by 4 tan square theta plus 3 by 4 the whole square. Correct? So I can take 3 by 4 outside. So it will be 16 by 9 into root 3 by 2. Correct? Into ये क्या बचेगा? Sec square theta d theta upon 1 plus 3 by 4 common ले तो 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square sec square theta. This will be sec raised to 4 theta. So 2 power will get cancelled. Sec square theta ऊपर आ जाएगा. हाँ, sec square theta ऊपर आ जाएगा. So I'll get, हाँ, इसको बाहर ले जाए, ये भी कैंसल. 8. So 8 root 3 by 9 integration of cos square theta d theta बचे. And what is cos square theta? Can be written as 1 plus cos theta, sorry, cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. And if I integrate, I'll get 4 root 3 over 9 into theta, cos theta का integration, sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. Now, अभी थीटा को रिसब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, तो 4 root 3 by 9 into what was theta? Tan theta, na? So theta was tan inverse, यहाँ पे 2 root 3, so 2x plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 by 2, तो ऐसे ही sin 2 theta को I can write 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan squared theta. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Let us substitute tan theta here. So क्या मिलेगा? 4 root 3 over 9 into, ये तो tan inverse नहीं लिख रहा हूं मैं, प्लस tan theta की जगह पे 2x plus 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 2x plus 1 the whole square upon 3 plus c. Correct? So इसको अगर I'll take LCM, गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ है. So this will remain as it is. यहाँ पे मेरा क्या बचेगा? 3 कैंसिल, रूट 3 बचेगा ना. एंड रूट 3 ऊपर आ जाएगा. रूट 3 इंटू 2x plus 1. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एलसीएम, एक दो स्टेप खा रहा हूँ. इट्स फाइन. रूट 3 इंटू x plus 1 अपॉन 2x plus 1 by root 3. एक मिनट. tan theta was, हाँ, so what will I get is 4x square plus 4x plus 4. So नीचे से I can take 4 common. So I'll get x square plus x plus 1. 4 common ले लो. हाँ. And this is as it is, plus c. 4 root 3 by 9. So if I multiply, I'll get 4 root 3 by 9 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 upon root 3 plus 4 will get cancelled. 3 by 9 means 1 by 3 like that. Right? Into 2x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 plus c. So by comparing, A is 4 root 3 by 9 and B is 1 by 3. So what do they need? They need 9 times root 3a plus b. This will be equal to 1 second. Yeah. 9 times root 3a plus b. So root 3a. So 4 3s are 4 by 3 bachega. 9 into 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So that means 5 by 3, 15 is my answer. Got it? So let's look at this one. Let's look at this. So here, we'll write it here. So here we are given this is equals to this and we have to find I of pi by 3. So what we'll do is the next question, what we can do, we'll first separate these. So that means this will be equal to integration of cos x into e raised to sine square x into sine 2x dx minus integration of e raised to sine square x into sine x dx. Here we can use integration by parts. Let's take it as first function. Let's take it as second function because the second function is integrable. So first function as it is, integration of second function is e raised to sine square x minus integration of derivative of first function minus sine x into integration of second function e raised to sine square x dx. Correct? Minus integration of e raised to sine square x into sine x dx. So what I'll get? I'll get cos x into e raised to sine square x minus minus will be plus integration e raised to sine square x. I'll rearrange it into sine x dx minus integration of e raised to sine square x into sine x dx. Now these both are same, so this will get cancelled. So simply my I of x will be equal to cos x into e raised to sine square x. And they want us to find I of pi by 3. That means cos pi by 3, cos 60 it is, right? So half into e raised to sine pi by 3, root 3 by 4, it is my answer. It is option D. So these all were the PYQs. Thank you all again. We'll meet next Saturday. Got it? Till then, take care.